Welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to follow somebody on Twitter. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. As you can see on my screen, guys, I'm already logged into a Twitter page. This is my current home page right over here, and this is my particular Twitter account as well. Twitter, a very educational, thoughtful, and an inspirational place to be. Well, I'm going to teach you how to follow inspirational or even fun or your friends on Twitter. So, the very first information that I'm going to give you is you have got various options to do with it. The very first one is provided by Twitter itself. Like here you can see on my screen that Twitter has given me various options for the people whom I can follow. Just look at here. So to this option, if you want to follow anyone or if you do know anyone you feel like, what you can do is just tap on this follow option, which is present just below the username and the profile picture. All you gotta do is tap on follow option just like this, and now it's shown that you're following the particular person, guys. So this is how you do it. Again, let me do one more time for the person I know. I'm gonna do it with another account. Okay, just like this, I'm gonna tap on this follow option and you can see the following option just like that. So this is how you follow for the options given by Twitter. But the very next option to follow is the very important one, which is present on the very bottom of your home page. Just next to the home option, here is a magnifying glass email where you can tap on it. This is basically a search option for you where you can see that what's trending around the world, either with the hashtags, the locations, you can go over there and watch all of the important tags or all of the important tweets right next to it. But if you do know any of the people, if you want to follow any of your icons, any of your favorite persons, what you got to do is tap on this search Twitter option and then type for the people you want to follow. So one more important information that I'm going to give you is in 2020, the most influential person on Twitter was Donald Trump. The very second was Narendra Modi. The third one was Taylor Swift. And the fourth one was my favorite, Elon Musk. So I'm going to search for Elon Musk over here. Okay. So all I'm gonna do is type Elon Musk and then search for him. And here you can see that lots of tweets by him, or the retweets, or even the shares regarding Elon Musk. So for better experience, what you gotta do is tap on people option for the correct person, just right next to latest. And here on the very top with the blue tick verification, it's Elon Musk original Twitter account. So you can tap on follow option. So you can see you're following Elon Musk now. So this is how you do it, guys. And for your favorite friends or your closest friends, all you gotta do is type again their name or their username if you know that. So I'm gonna tap for one of my favorite relative, just like this. And then what you gotta do is you can search for them, just like this. And okay, here is my uncle over here. So I can do is tap on follow option just like this, and I'm currently following him. So this is how you do it, guys. This is how you follow people on Twitter. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. For more videos and for more help, you can visit our channel and watch more of them. I'm going to see you next time. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.